The Brook by Alfred Lord Tennyson. I come from haunts of coot and hern, I make a sudden sally, and sparkle out among the fern to bicker down a valley. By 30 hills I hurry down, or slip between the ridges, by 20 thorps a little town, and 100 bridges, till last by Philip's farm I flow, to join the brimming river. For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. I chatter over stony ways, in little sharps and trebles. I bubble into eddying bays, I bubble on the pebbles. With many a curve my banks I fret, by many a field and fallow, and many a fairy foreland set, with willow weed and mallow. I chatter as I flow, to join the brimming river. For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. I wind about and in and out, with here a blossom sailing, and here and there a lusty trout, and here and there a grayling, and here and there a foamy flake upon me as I travel, with many a silvery water break above the golden gravel, and draw them all along and flow, to join the brimming river. For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever. I steal by lawns and grassy plots, I slide by hazel covers, I move the sweet forget-me-nots that grow for happy lovers. I slip, I slide, I gloom, I glance among the skimming swallows. I make the knitted sunbeam dance against my Sunday shallows. I murmur under moon and stars in brambly wildernesses. I linger by my shingly bars, I loiter round my creases, and out again I curve and flow, to join the brimming river. For men may come and men may go, but I go on forever.